Oh, that was very whingy. I'm such a I got a sponsorship and I'm doing like this mainstream YouTuber in this piece. Hello, people of the internet. It's Kendall here. So, if you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home Skilla Basket. Today is an exciting video. Today we're gonna look at that thing that so many of you have been interested in. Well, some of you have been interested. I hope you're interested in it. I don't know. Today we're looking at my makeup collection. But before we get started, it is my pleasure to let you know that this video is in collaboration with Poshmark. They want your girls' lights to stay on, so big hands up for them. If you don't know what Poshmark is, it's basically this app where people put stuff that they don't want anymore and they try to sell it. And it's been dope. You guys have purchased and gotten some things off in my hand, and I want to first thank you because what you'll see in this video is that I have a problem with hoarding things. I still have a wig or two available on there. Also a few pieces of jewelry. Also a pair of shoes I'm trying to get rid of right now. Actually, let me get up and show them to you. Didn't wear them very much. They look like I did though. I wore them on cobblestone one time. Bad idea. But they're super cute and I feel like someone should wear them, but I know I won't. So somebody can take these off my hands. On the app you can find things from all over the place. High-end brands, low-end brands. People be selling their stuff. They be selling Gucci and they be selling Versace and they be selling all kinds of stuff on there. They got money. I'm not selling stuff with money, but you know they out there. So if you want to download the app, I'm gonna put that link down in the description box as well as a link to my closet at KennieJD. And if you guys already have closets and you want me to see it, be sure to put that down in the comments as well. So let's get into the rest of this video. Oh, that was very whingy. I'm such a I got a sponsorship and I'm doing like this mainstream YouTuber in this piece. Y'all know I don't love disclaimers because I think they're stupid. I believe that you are a free-thinking human being and therefore can make conclusions by yourself. But I am not bragging about all the things that I have. To be more specific, I'm not bragging on myself. I'm bragging on the blessings that God has given me. Hallelujah. I feel very, very blessed to do what I do as a profession. I feel very blessed to have makeup and skincare and hair and fashion and stuff sent to me. I get sent a lot of things. I give away just as much as I keep. You guys be surprised how often I'm just like filling up giant boxes full of stuff to give away to my supporters and to friends and to family. I'm always giving stuff away and I feel like that energy means that I get a lot back in return. I feel very, very blessed, and because of that, my collection is kind of large. But some people might say, hey Kendall, that's nowhere near like any of the giant collections I've seen, and it really isn't. It's pretty on the small side in comparison, but I'm sure, I know for a fact, it's more than your average just person who wears makeup just as a necessity, quote unquote, like you need to look presentable for work, instead of those that actually use it as their profession. So anyway, let's get into the video. My setup is kind of trash and I'm still working through that, but whatever. It's a learning process. We're all working together, all getting tips from each other and learning from each other. All right. Okay, so I guess we're going to start off with everything behind the chair right here that you usually see in the back, but you don't really get a full glimpse of everything because it's behind my chair. This is a little tree that my mom got me for my jewelry. Can you focus, please? Thank you. It's very like haphazardly thrown up here, but that's how I've done it. Back here you have my plaque and my Moschino palette and the little bear. This has little like lip glosses you can put in it, but I just wanted the bear because it's a cute little bear. And then some Fenty glosses because they don't fit in any of my other things. Also, please ignore the finish of this wood. It's very, very old. This is actually like quite the family heirloom that I've just turned into a makeshift vanity thing behind me. It's been through a lot of rough times, but you've been good to me, so you ain't broke yet, so I'm not gonna go to fix you. Also, a nice little scorch mark from my tea. Sorry, my mom doesn't know that's there. This is just where I keep things like eyelash glue and pencil shavers, sharpeners. Then we have the Pony Effect magnet brush holder and then the magnet brushes. I just keep this here because it looks cute, and also it keeps my brushes in sight. Also, I keep the rest of my brushes in these kind of tea holders. I really liked the tea and I thought the holders were cute, so I just kept it. So a little ghetto or a little innovative. DIY or ratchet, it's all up to you, but basically I'm black, so it's probably the negative connotation. Right next to that I just keep setting sprays, NYX, 3CE, Espor, VDL, just the ones that I use most often. Next we have my some of my lipsticks. These like shorter bullets in these little lipstick holders.
All of these holders I got from Amazon. I just looked up lip gloss holders for these taller ones. And then the shorter one is lipstick holders. I'll link all of that down in the description box if you're curious. These are velvet lip tints from KBeauty. The rest of this is all Pony Effect. And I'm actually probably going to fill this with Pony Effect entirely. So when that happens, I'll just take these out and put them like somewhere else. Anastasia liquid lipsticks. 3CE liquid velvet. I'm still waiting on a few, so this will be changed soon. Then just kind of like miscellaneous NYX, 3CE, who is this, MAC. These right here are all wine lipsticks from KBeauty. Some Chosunga, some Huda Beauty, some randoms back there. We have some Botanic Farms, some Lorac, Chosunga, MAC, NARS back here that came in like a set. These like mini lipsticks things I keep up here. Next to that I keep these like weird shaped little palettes that I can't fit in my drawers. So that's like Chosunga, more Chosunga, KBeauty, Etude House, Esport, no that's not Esport, Hamish, Pony Effect, Nature Republic. Palettes that I have like in a filer. This is also from Amazon. Anastasia Beverly Hills are these 4 palettes. The electric palette that Iwis gave me. It had gone discontinued and I wanted it and she found it. Huda Beauty. This is like a miscellaneous palette that I've never used, but I'm going to because I found out it's mad expensive and I feel bad not using it. Sugar Pill in the back, Morphe. And that's basically this top area. Next we have these drawers. This is kind of like an Alex drawer type thing. It's mad dirty. Why? Because I use it. I don't understand why people's stuff is so clean all the time if you're using makeup all the time. But it's not an Alex drawer. I got it from Michael's for like 35 bucks. IKEA was trying to come for your girl at $109 and I'm like, it's drawers, like seriously. Up here I have my lash book from House of Lashes. I just keep it there so it's in eyesight. Okie dokie, this first drawer is kind of just foundations and cushion foundations, powders, powders that are kind of weird shaped so they don't fit in here, and concealers right here. Huda Beauty, NARS, Black Opal, Fenty, Too Faced, Milani back here. Cushions from all over. Maybelline, Innisfree, Laneige. And this is just a case. I just thought this was a cute case for a cushion. Xanox is just a case. The second drawer is my highlight and bronzing area as well as like priming. And also all my sponges. I just keep them like thrown in here. Palettes here for highlighting. So Huda Beauty palette. This little like white insert thing was from Dollar General. Single highlighters and like one random bronzer that got in here. Back here we have 3C that I use for a contour. The my favorite drugstore contouring palette. The Black Radiance one. Highlighting palette from The Balm. There's a few things. There's something missing in here, but I don't remember what it is. I don't know where my Aurora palette is from Anastasia. It's somewhere around here. Then we have glow primers, loose highlighters, and liquid highlighters. I just put that all in one kind of vague area. Tony Moly, Hamish. Okay, in here, it gets mad messy if you can see. These are like cream eyeshadows, glitter, liquid eyeshadows, all in here. Back here we have single eyeshadows. Basically stuff that I don't use because I never use single eyeshadows, which is stupid because they get to be really pretty, but I just don't look at them. Mascara and eyebrow related items. We got blushes right here. We got 3CE, KBeauty, Becca. And then because these little things stack on top of each other, I have all my liquid liners in the bottom of this one right here. Probably gonna have to change that soon, but that's how it is right now. Okay, this drawer is more lipsticks, mostly like those square lipsticks and those oddly shaped ones. My 3CE, my growing 3CE lipstick collection right here. Who are these? Nakeup Face, Kat Von D in the back. This random Butter London one right here. Some Huda Beauty ones in the back. And then I put my small palettes, these like really tiny palettes back here. More 3CE, Huda Beauty, Pony Effect. You're noticing a trend here. And then a bunch of lashes, more lashes. Like I need more lashes. And then right here, I just throw these like weird pen-shaped things or like lip liners. So natural, and they kind of fit weird in my other lipstick stuff, so I just put those there. And at the bottom here is boring. It's just all of my cute little makeup headbands, extra cushions, refills, more lipsticks are under here, like my refill of, or my backup of my on fleek. I will never go without this. And just like little baubles like that I keep in this bottom drawer.
Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That is Twitter and Instagram. I'd love to see you guys there. Don't forget to subscribe here because like you've watched this long, you might as well. If it at all helps you make your decision on whether or not to subscribe, I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so you'd see me 3 times a week. And I will see you guys next time.